Hi, Jimmy. Wishing you the happiest birthday. Thank you for being the most inspiring leader that anyone could ask for. May the Lord be with you and bless you forever.
May God always be with you wherever you go. May He blesses you and continue to use you as His servant to build His kingdom on this earth.
Truly, it is a blessing to have crossed paths with you, and I hope that the Lord would continue to bless you with joy and that He may continue to use you to magnify His name through your life. Enjoy your special day.
Thank you so much for loving us and for taking care of us. God bless.
I wish you wisdom and good health, and may also God continue to use you as an instrument to help other people and transform their lives. Enjoy your wonderful day.
May God continue to bless you with more successes in life, great health, and so much joy and happiness. May you continue to be a great leader and mentor to all of us, and inspire and motivate people around the world to do what they love to do. Enjoy your special day!
Thank you for being a great leader and inspiration to all of us at Team Achieve. I hope you enjoy your day doing what you love and being with your loved ones. And I pray that God continues to bless you with more joy and more success. Have a good one.
Thank you for being an inspiration and a blessing to all of us. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Jimmy!
Happy birthday, Jimmy.
Happy birthday, Jimmy.
Happy birthday, Jimmy!
Happy birthday, Jimmy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jimmy.
Happy birthday, Jimmy!